Magandang araw at welcome po sa ating channel. At syempre, may bago na naman tayong video ang panonoorin ngayong araw na to. Samahan niyo ako.
Welcome to Fearsome Top 5. Today's about to get a whole lot creepier as we take a look at 8 scary ghost videos. Number 1. A woman named Madison on TikTok is a young mom that often posts videos of her daily life and adorable baby. But mixed within her catalog of videos are eerie stories of the hauntings she's dealt with throughout her life. According to Madison, there's been a dark presence around her for as long as she can remember. When she was a child, she would sometimes talk to someone in her closet.
Hala, bata pa pala siya, meron nang nagpaparamdam sa kanya. Natin.
And when asked by her mom who she was talking to, she would simply reply, the little girl. Now, years later, this activity seems to be getting more intense. Late one night, Madison could have sworn she heard whispers coming from her kitchen. She quickly pulled out her phone to document the encounter, and this is what happened next.
Hala. Naririnig daw siya ng salit ng boses sa kusina nila. Laki ng cross nila dun ah.
Soon after hearing something,
Parang may nagsalita dun ah. Narinig niyo yun? Parang may gumanon. Yee.
in the kitchen, a faint whimper can be heard, followed by the unsettling sound of disembodied footsteps. These chilling footsteps sounded like they were headed directly towards her, sending her stumbling back in fear. After this encounter, Madison realized that she may have caught the spirit these footsteps belonged to a few years back.
Wala namang narinig na footsteps. Narinig ko yung parang umungol. Parang bata yung umungol. Pero may narinig ba akong? Wala, parang wala akong narinig na footsteps. Sige, tuloy natin.
After hearing noises coming from her mother's room, she decided to set up her phone to record to see what it might catch. But when she later rewatched the footage, a chill crept down her spine.
Ayan. Hey!
In the dark bedroom, a black figure emerged on the left, then somehow floated upwards out of
Yee!
view.
Kinilabutan ako
This
dun ah.
unsettling figure moved in a way that doesn't seem possible for a person, and its pitch black color gives me a feeling that whatever it is not exactly friendly. Madison has yet to debunk this video.
Takot yun ah. May lumabas to, dumikit sa may pader. Ano kaya yun?
So now it's just a chilling reminder of the dark entity that's been following her for years. Number 2. A TikTok user was
Patakot yun ah. Hindi niya pa alam kung ano yung sumusunod sa kanya. Dapat kung doon, nagpa-bless na siya ng bahay, ano? Nakakatakot yung, takot ako biglang dumikit sa pader eh. Next video ah.
previously known as somebody on the internet recently shared a video that quickly caught my eye. I'm sure you're all well aware of the countless reports of strange things seen in the sky lately. Bizarre objects that look like nothing from this world. Well, according to this TikTok user, the camera outside of their aunt's house managed to catch compelling proof of these otherworldly lights.
UFO to. UFO sighting. Hindi naman scary ghost yun. Ghost bang UFO? Hindi naman, di ba? Alien yun. Ba't nasama rito sa countdown na to? Ayan, oh. Lakas yung ilaw.
At 7:38
Kaya drone yan.
p.m., 2 balls of light mysteriously appeared in the night sky. These glowing orbs quickly glided to the left, one seeming to follow the other. And as they moved, an illuminated trail appeared behind them. These unknown objects didn't make a sound and don't look like any normal aircraft.
Tingin ko drone to eh. Para siyang drone. May mga nakikita nyo sa mga concert ngayon, gumagamit sila ng maliliit na mga drone tapos gagawa sila ng image. Parang ganun yung nakita siguro niya rito. Baka may naglalaro lang ng drone. Ewan natin.
Could these unusual lights possibly be alien? You decide.
Ay, kayo nyo. Ano sa tingin nyo? Alien ba yun o ano? Drone. Tingin ko drone yun eh. Hindi na mukhang alien. Para masyadong ano yung galaw nila. Para maging ano. Di ba pag mga UFO mabibilis yun tapos walang angle. Eh, yun parang mabagal lang na gumanon eh. Ewan natin. Next video.
Number 3. TikTok user Christine Bourgeoisie is an account run by a woman that often shares glimpses into her life for her 86,000 followers. And back in 2021, she uploaded a haunting clip captured by the baby monitor in her daughter's room of something that she couldn't.
O nga pala, nakapambahay lang ako ngayon ha. Kasi nandito ako sa bahay nag-shoot. Wala akong pasok ngayon eh. Inakikita nyo yung mga dati ko, naka-uniform ako noon sa clinic. Dito na tayo sa video, okay?
Explain.
Oh, may baby. Baby pala yun. Wala. Ah, may CCTV yung ano ng bedroom. Kasi itong mga Amerikano na to, yung mga Europeans, Amerikano, ewan ko lang mga Europeans, pero yung mga Amerikano, yung mga anak nila, natutulog sa kabilang kwarto, hindi nila kasama sa kwarto natutulog. Ewan ko sa mga yan. So, kailangan pa nila ng camera ngayon. Para lang ma-monitor nila kung iiyak yung bata. Diba di mo na nilagay sa kwarto mo? Para hindi ka na bumili ng camera, diba? Katabi mo pa yung anak mo, sigurado ka pang safe. Itong mga taong to, lalagay pa lang sa kabilang kwarto, bibili sila ng camera. May mic din naman yung camera para marinig nilang umiyak. Ganun din eh, diba? Magigising ka din naman nun. Wala lang. Sabi ko lang. Tuloy natin. Yan. Gising yung baby. Kasi ilalagay mo sa kabilang kwarto yung anak mo, isama mo sa kwarto mo.
As her daughter laid in her crib, the room was still and quiet. When suddenly a toy car mysteriously rolled out into the open from underneath the crib.
So yun na nga. Dapat ganyan solusyon dyan, itabi mo sa kwarto mo, lagay mo yung crib ng anak mo sa kwarto nyo para marinig mo, di ba? Next video. So ito yung next video natin na to, part 2 to nung kanina sa babae na may yung sa may baby. Okay?
Despite taking batteries, the wheels on this car are not electric, and it doesn't have the ability to move on its own. The only way it can roll forward is if someone physically pushed it. So could it be that a ghostly presence got so bored that it resorted to playing with a toy car?
So yung car pala na yun, yung kanina pinakita ng babae, hindi may battery siya, pero pang sound lang yung battery, hindi siya umaandar mag-isa. So aandar lang yun pag may tumulak. Ano kaya yung tumulak doon sa ilalim ng kama? Crib pala, sa ilalim ng crib ng bata, di ba? Natin alam. Next video na lang tayo.
Paranormal investigators Elliot and Joe from the Ghost Theory YouTube channel set out to investigate an abandoned house located somewhere in the UK.
Ito ghost na to.
This deteriorating
parang haunted house.
Forgotten and left to decay with some of the family's possessions left inside. Eager to see what they might catch. The guys had a very lighthearted attitude after finding a way in.
I mean, the seats as well. I thought the seats looked more like the 60s than it does.
It's weird, isn't it? Wasn't it? England. Those things.
And even the curtains are very 60s, but...
It's just a house full of things from different eras.
Yeah.
Maganda at least dalawa sila may kasama siya. Ayoko ganitong mag-explore ka ng mga abandoned, yung mga supposedly na haunted na mga lugar na ikaw lang mag-isa. Nakakatakot yun, di ba? At least dalawa sila. Pero kung ako mag-isa man, magsasama ko ng aso, sigurado. Sama ko Rottweiler or German Shepherd, di ba? Yung ganyan, ikaw lang mag-isa. Nakakatakot kaya yun. Sige, tuloy na natin.
It's really odd. It's like things they were living in the 90s, but their belongings were from the 60s.
Yeah.
What are these? Obviously they've been put there by explorers.
They are potions.
I don't think they are. I think that's an egg cup.
I mean, you should drink one and see what
I'm going
happens.
to drink an egg cup.
Drinking their cup.
They continued to explore the house when they started hearing noises that let them know that they were not alone.
I don't understand.
But
What was it? Because it was an airplane, but sometimes somebody just got drag things. Oh.
Narinig ba sila?
I'm not exactly quiet, are they? It's mad.
No, parang may nag-ingay ah. Ano ba yun? O sila lang yun?
It's not, it sounds like somebody got dragged inside.
does it?
I think.
The duo then pulled out a few devices and began trying to make contact with any spirits that may be nearby. But besides a few minor spikes, no major evidence was caught. After several hours of investigating, the pair ultimately decided to wrap things up and call it a night. But feeling like they had unfinished business, weeks later they made the decision to return. But the energy in the house was now dramatically different.
Binalikan nila ba? Binalikan nila kasi nung una parang wala silang nakitang narinig lang siguro nila, parang baka hangin lang yun. Pero wala silang nakuhang mga sa mga device nila. So binalikan nila after a few weeks daw.
If we move that table back, that was out the way.
May gumagalaw. May narinig silang gumagalaw.
They're not living here as they're supposed to.
If there's someone just staying here, we will leave you alone. Can you just say that you're here and we will go? We're just explorers.
We need to look.
Yeah, can you take that then?
Yeah.
Because I'm just gonna... Hello, I'm just gonna open the curtain if there is someone in there.
Na naman.
There's a fucking mattress there and everything.
Okay, that's not right.
Ah! Binato sila.
Soon after entering the house, the guys could tell that things had been moved, and there were sounds coming from around them that they couldn't explain. Their first thought was that someone else was inside one of the rooms.
May bumato sa kanila. May nagalit siguro kasi binuksan nila yung kurtina na gano'n. Tuloy natin. Oh, tanggal.
What the hell? What the f...
So how did that happen? There's no breeze. How did that happen?
How did what? How this? I have no idea. I'm so
From the
confused,
inside.
but I'm convinced there's no one here. I'm convinced there's no one here.
Elliot went on to set up a couple baby monitors, but little did he know that something would soon come through.
Silent night, sounds great.
Nag-iwan sila ng mga baby monitor yung ilalagay sa mga bedroom ng mga baby. Yung parang mic lang yan. Parang mic para maririnig mo doon sa kabilang kwarto kung make sound. Wala.
What?
Nakasan natin.
That's on that side.
Parang may naglalakad, ano? Parang may naglalakad na parang may kinakaladkad. Yung lakad na hindi, ano yun, yung parang paa hindi umangat sa lupa. Gumaganon lang. Ayun.
Joe couldn't ignore these faint sounds coming from somewhere nearby. Now on high alert, he was almost positive that another person was lurking around the property. Suspicious that someone was outside messing with them, he went on to set up a camera facing out a window. But things only got weirder.
It's going to be a couple of hours, and I was just someone outside. There has to be someone outside. And they want to come back in because they'll go to sleep or something. Unless it's not. Well, what I'm going to do is leave this while we go back in there a second.
I'm just going to get the stuff to pack up.
Hello. Ano yun? Wala namang isang door. Itong malaki siguro. Yee!
With a clear view outside of the house, Elliot and Joe were confident that they would catch whoever was causing these sounds. But this confidence soon turned into fear after hearing this.
Do you want us to leave?
Hala!
Yeah, okay.
Wala naman tao sa labas. Tapos may kumatok. Walang tao doon sa labas kasi naglagay sila ng camera. Tapos nung tinanong nila na gusto nyo umalis kami rito, may kumatok. Pero yung camera doon, wala naman nakukuha ng tao sa labas. Meron dyan. May ghost. May kaluluwa.
Hello? We're just urban explore.
Ayun walang camera sa labas. Yun yung parang camera nila, tinutok nila doon sa may parang entrance. Wala naman tao, pero may sound sila naririnig na parang kumakatok nga, parang gustong pumasok.
It's made me jump, it's also made me like, okay, this is something that's going to happen. Joining you is okay, but now what?
Yeah.
Oh, the camera down there. I've seen.
Wait, no, what do you think it's somebody? Yes, no.
There's no fucking way that I think a ghost stood there punching that. If there's someone there, they're still there, because you would hear them walking away. Look, there's actually a gap as well. There's a shadow. No, it is a gap.
It's a gap.
Look, hang on, we turn the light off. Turn this back on to colour.
Oh yeah, you can see us.
Yeah.
Listening to us as well and just wait.
There's someone out there with their own with
knows
us.
what we're doing and
It makes me annoyed now. I get irritated.
Getting more annoyed thinking that they were getting pranked, Joe decided to take a closer look. But this is when things got incredibly strange.
yeah.
Hello?
You see them?
Yeah.
Of course, get it down. I need to go and have a look around the building. Which just doesn't really feel safe to me. There's someone around.
Dapat sabay sila. Huwag isa lang. Dapat dalawa kayong iikot.
If there is a spirit and it's you making these sounds, can you do it inside the building? I asked you before if you want us to.
Ngayon naman. Baka may nanluloko sa kanila dito. Kasi may gap eh. Kasi pwede silang sinisili pala dyan. May tao na pala sa kabilang side.
There's literally no one in there.
There is no one out here, Joe.
Elliot then bravely ventured outside to scope out around the house.
Talagang puro
But while
gubat yung
alone in
paligid
the
ng
darkness,
yung paligid ng bahay, puro puro puno. Nakakatakot. Tapos silang dalawa lang dyan.
something sent a chill down Joe's spine.
Oh, ayan na naman. Yeah.
Guys, let me stop recording that.
Oh, may washing machine pa.
Holy shit. Oh, yeah. Right. No. What did you just? What did you just?
There's no one here.
Rush up back up and coming back in because something is just fucking slammed in the kitchen while you were outside.
I'm coming back in because
I'm so jumpy now.
there's no one out here. I've just gone around the
I
entire.
just accidentally stopped recording because I sound so much. Why am I not even recording in this?
Something isn't quite right about
No, right?
this.
No. It sounded like someone just smacked one of these doors, a door here or a cupboard in there, I have no fucking idea.
But I was walking around.
Oh, so something just smacked something while you're outside?
Another ghostly knock scared Joe enough to make him accidentally stop the recording, and Elliot confirmed that there was absolutely no one outside of the house. So who or what was causing these unsettling sounds? Number 5.
Hindi na na-find out. So, malamang, either may nanluloko sa kanila dyan, o baka talaga merong kaluluwa doon sa bahay na yun. Next video.
A user named Northic turned to Reddit and searched for answers after something peculiar was caught on camera at his restaurant. According to this user, the building was built in the 1700s, and unsettling things often happen inside. In the dark basement beneath the restaurant, the sound of someone crying is sometimes heard. Also in the basement is a strange tunnel that goes off into the darkness. No one knows where it ends up, and the landlord specifically told them to stay clear of the tunnel. One day in the restaurant, the manager arrived early to get things set up. But as he prepared the tables, something unnerving happened directly in front of him.
So itong video na to ay parang isang restaurant na may basement. Tapos yung waiter sabi para may naririnig siya kung ano doon sa basement ng restaurant na yun. Tapos itong video na to, parang ito ata yung may isa pang nangyari, nakakatakot. Halala, gumagalaw. Gumalaw yung ano.
After placing a candle holder on the table, it soon began to move.
Gumagalaw.
It traveled a few inches before stopping completely, then mysteriously slid to the end of the table. The manager at the time couldn't believe what he just witnessed,
Tingin siya sa
and he
camera.
firmly believes that this was caused by something paranormal. Now, I'm all for dinner and a show, but when ghosts get involved, I'll just find somewhere else to eat. Number 6.
Pala, gumalaw yung parang candle holder daw. Yun lang pala yung pinakaano ng video. Okay, next video.
This next video was posted by a Reddit user that goes by Boo Society. A few years back, the woman behind this account was with her husband and 6-year-old child, waiting to go to dinner. To kill some time, they decided to explore a cemetery that was near the restaurant. She began recording a video on her phone of the dozens of old tombstones around her. But when she later watched this back, she heard something that made her hair stand on end.
Oh, sa sementeryo.
Wow. That's really neat.
Wala naman. Wala may sound.
Spirit Halloween.
I know. I know. Wow, look at that one back there. With the rocks around it. That's nuts. It looks like almost like a wooden,
As she walked through the cemetery, a low, ghostly voice was caught. This chilling voice sounded like it came from right next to her. It sounds like it's saying, I'm right beside you.
Yun ba?
wow.
Ah!
Wow.
Ay!
That's really neat.
While walking around with her family, no one heard this voice at the time. But upon playback, there's undoubtedly someone or something whispering close to the camera.
Hindi nila narinig. Narinig lang nila nung pinlay na nila, nung pinapanood na nila yung video na may nagsasalita pala dun sa kinukuha na nilang area.
So could this have been the voice of someone that's buried in that cemetery?
Okay, nakatakot naman yun. Next video.
Number 7. A man named George has a TikTok account with a few videos posted. One of these videos being of a strange encounter he had. One night, while sitting at a large table with his family, the chair he was sitting in was suddenly pulled back. This caught him off guard and immediately creeped him out. And lucky for us, it was caught on camera.
Oh. Nakahatak yung puwan. Christmas dinner yata.
As he sat there, his chair mysteriously moved back and turned to the side. George didn't do this, and there was no one behind him that could have pulled it. He immediately began asking everyone who pulled my chair, but besides laughing at him, no one had an explanation. Number 8.
So, yung video na to, parang hinahatak siya, parang Christmas dinner yata yun. Tapos hinahatak niya, may humahatak ng upuan niya bang nagkakumakain sila. Ano kaya yun? Next video.
Paranormal investigators Jeff and Mark from the Ghost Head Paranormal YouTube channel set out to investigate a place known as the Old Mill House. Built in 1779, this old home has seen its fair share of paranormal activity. Over the years, there's been countless reports of disembodied voices, unexplained noises, shadow figures, and even the apparition of a man that was seen walking through a closed door to the windmill. While setting up for the investigation, Jeff and Mark found themselves upstairs when they heard something peculiar.
Is there anyone there? Can you say hello? Or maybe do something to let us know that you're listening?
Lumang bahay na to. Oh.
What's that?
Hindi ko malabog.
Mark, that was downstairs. You go up the staircase. Noise. I just heard walking.
The very next night, after setting up their cameras and several devices, Jeff conducted an EVP session alone in his room. And when he played back the audio, he heard something that caught him off guard.
So if you can hear my voice, can you tell me your name, please? I'm speaking to this so I can play it back and hear what you have to say. So could you do that now for me, please? Are you here? Can you hear me?
What's the voice?
Sumagot sa kanya.
That is the voice on this recorder. The hell is that? Some movement from outside.
Biglang lumabas dyan. Ito. Yung mga device silang nilagay sa mga area.
I receive a response saying, I am dead. Is this Philip Green? And then there is movement from within the hallway outside. Mark is on the other side of the building, so who else is here with me? I check the hallway, but no one is there.
Ayan na
Are
naman.
you here? Can you hear me? There's a voice.
Yun na yun.
That is a voice on this recorder.
The guys then headed to the main dining area to attempt to make further contact. But this is where things took a terrifying turn.
So, if there's anybody
Dalawa pala
around,
sila.
could you make yourself known, please? Who's the main spirit or spirits that come back here?
Ano yung box na yan nasa gitna na yan? Meron silang box na parang may mga ilaw-ilaw na. Pinaglolo ko lang tayo nito mga to eh.
Is the rampart here on the table?
Mga sensor siguro.
Yeah,
Ano meron?
thank you. Can you try touching more, please?
Okay. Movement.
That's brilliant.
Movement sensor
Thank
pala
you.
yun.
Now this may sound a bit crazy, but would you be able to touch one of us? My friend Jeff in front with the camera, or me sat here. What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that just flew into the kitchen?
I've been hit on the head with something.
Jesus. Whoa, look, Jeff, quick at it.
Poltergeist yun.
Who just did that and what did you throw?
Poltergeist yun. Binato siya eh.
Took a different turn, that has.
O baka may kasama sila dyan. May kasama sila dyan na binato lang siya. Sapol sa ulo. Hindi na makita ko ano yun. Kaya binato sa kanya.
How was that that hit you on the head?
I don't know.
It sounded like one of those stones out of that game over there.
Saan?
It was just something, I don't know, something hard hit me somewhere around here.
Ayun, may bukol siya. Binato siya. Ano kayang binato sa kanya?
I can't see in the night vision whether you've got a mark on your head or not.
I felt it bounce. It sort of hit me somewhere here in the forehead, and I heard it go past me into the kitchen, whatever it was.
Now that is really strange because up until now everything has been nice, so we haven't felt threatened in any way in this house, and that seems to me like it's negative.
Should we
Should we
turn
go?
on the light and see?
Yeah.
Right, hold on just 1 second.
We need to see what that was. Yeah, there's a little sort of graze on your head there. Now this ain't gonna pick it up very good, but
Ayan, may
there's
bukol
a
siya.
spot on your head there
May bukol siya. Ano kaya tumama sa kanya dun?
where someone must have bounced off. David, it's one of those stones I told you.
Bato.
In a dark turn of events,
Binato siya ng bato. Galing sa labas yun.
after Mark asked if a spirit could touch them, a small stone was thrown directly at Jeff. This bone-chilling moment completely changed the vibe in the room, now making it seem as if there was a negative energy that didn't want them there. Following this event, they
Binato
soon
siya.
wrapped up the investigation. But little did they know that wouldn't be the last thing they caught.
So at every location that we go to, I usually take between 200-300 photos of the location. The reason for that being is when we do our history, we can show you the pictures of the place, what's gone on there, and we use all those pictures as an intro. So whilst I was walking around this mill house, I was just taking hundreds and hundreds of pictures, and that door in the kitchen behind me, I didn't notice at the time, but there are two photographs. The first one sort of seems to show something maybe coming
Ayun o, para may nakatayo doon sa may pintuan.
upwards or coming forwards, and then the second picture shows a full-blown.
Iba naman tong second picture. Yung isa parang maliit, kasi ito pas malaki to. Lalaki siguro to. Kanina parang babae.
Shadow figure, black figure standing right behind the door, and we tried to debunk it. Mark got me to stand behind the door, and you can clearly see the colouring of my skin.
So siya yun kanina. Nubukan niya siya tumayo doon. Makikita mo kung ano di ba? Itim lang yun.
Part of the glasses, you can see it's just a normal person's.
Kikita mo yung balat eh. Yung kanina wala eh, puro itim lang. Parang shadow lang na nakatayo doon.
But whatever this was, it was completely black. There's no features, no nothing. And that was in broad daylight.
Captured in one of the hundreds of photos Jeff took was a terrifying dark.
So yun lang. Yung ating mga videos ngayong araw na to. So may nakuha na sila doon. Dalawang pictures, isang parang babae, tapos isa ito parang lalaki na mataas eh. Shadow lang. So yun lang. Yung video natin ngayong araw na to. At kung bago ka lang dito, ay pwedeng mag-subscribe ka na rin. At click mo na rin yung notification bell sa baba para ma-notify ka sa ating mga bagong mga videos. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa muli.